Okay, guys, I had a question about this problem, x minus 12 over 12 minus x. So if you look at these, at first you might think they cancel, but remember that when you're subtracting, the order does matter. So this does not cancel the way that it is. So I'm going to manipulate the bottom a little bit. So the top is in descending order, which I like. The bottom is not, so I'm going to rewrite it in descending order. So if I do that, we put the x in front, so we have negative x and then a positive 12. Okay. This still doesn't cancel because the signs are not correct. So I don't like this negative in the front, so I'm going to factor out a negative 1. Okay, when you do that, you have a negative divided by negative makes this a positive x. And then positive 12 divided by negative 1 is a negative 12. Okay, so what we've got now is this x minus 12 that was on the top. And on the bottom, we've got this negative 1 times x minus 12. So what you should notice is that x minus 12 and x minus 12 will now cancel, okay? And all you're left with is 1 over this negative 1, which is just negative 1, okay?